In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download audio from ElevenLabs in just a couple of simple steps. This is really useful if you've already generated a voice clip and want to save it to your device as an MP3 file so you can use it in videos, podcasts, social posts, or any other project. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and go to the area where you can create audio. You can do this either with text-to-speech or with speech-to-speech, which is also known as voice changer. Choose the method that fits your workflow best. If you want to turn written text into spoken audio, use text-to-speech. If you already have audio and want to change the voice, use speech-to-speech. Once you've entered your text or uploaded your audio and finished your settings, generate the voice output. After a few moments, ElevenLabs will process the audio and display the finished result on screen. When the audio is ready, look for the download button next to the generated audio. This is the key step because this is what lets you save the file directly to your computer or device. Click download and ElevenLabs will immediately export the audio as an MP3 file. Once the download is complete, you can open it in your file manager or downloads folder and use it wherever you need. If you're creating content regularly, this is a fast and reliable way to keep your voice files organized and ready to go. And that's it. You now know how to download audio from ElevenLabs quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next.